This is day 2 in Udaipur. After a magnificent boat ride last night, which was Pallavi's idea, we are here on a new adventure. अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं बाहुबली हिल्स पे. ये उदयपुर के पास में ही है. And this is what Pallavi is wearing. This is what she is wearing for trekking.
Hey!
This trek is turning unreal. Are you there?
Yeah, I'm still alive.
We are on the top of Bahubali hill right now. इस जगह को बड़ी लेक भी कहते हैं. This lake over here, this is also man-made. The views are pretty spectacular. Pallavi is still feeling okay after climbing. Now we have to go down as well. We just had our lunch. पल्लवी के पैर सूज चुके हैं ट्रैक करने से. Now we'll possibly go shopping. The time right now is 2:30. The time right now is 5. हम लोग अभी गए थे शॉपिंग करने के लिए हाथी पोल पे. And right now we are at फतेह सागर लेक. Look how beautiful this is. Like absolute Venice colors. Udaipur blew my mind. We are here at the Ambrai Ghat. यहाँ पे ड्रोन नहीं उड़ाने दे रहे हैं and also you cannot shoot from your camera. So yeah, I'm shooting on my phone. We are here to see the sunset. The sun is almost set. I think Udaipur has the most beautiful sunsets in India. This is day 4. मैं सिर्फ 3 टी शर्ट लेके आया था. So I'm repeating my t-shirt. I don't mind. I think most men don't. Udaipur, you were really special, and I think Pichola Lake have a piece of my heart. उदयपुर आपकी बकेट लिस्ट थी? How was it? How does it feel to check your bucket list?
It feels great. I mean, this is the first one that I've checked out of the list. There is a big list.
This is Jodhpur and we are exiting Jodhpur now. The time right now is 2. A fast montage of the road trip now. Go. And we have arrived.